Become a validator on Qubetics. Ensure your node URL is bound to a domain. Otherwise, you must bind it to log into the validator application. Binding an IP to node URL. It involves setting up a proxy noginx/alb to forward node IP. Port on 80 by 443, redirecting 80 to 443, enabling SSL, and mapping the server IP to the domain. You can go through our learning resources to get a full insight. Access the information via this link. We have also mentioned link in the description below. Visit https://validator.qubetics.com/login. Paste your node URL. Make sure your node URL is secured with HTTPS and bound with the domain. Click Submit. Connect your preferred wallet. Kepler Wallet, Qubetics Wallet, Cosmos Station Wallet. Ensure sufficient balance before proceeding. Initialize validator setup. Click Set up as a validator. Prepare your validator information. Configure your validator profile. Enter the following information: validator name, description, website URL, identity, security contact. Click Next. Staking requirements. Minimum required: 25,000 TIX tokens on mainnet. Enter your desired stake amount. Commission structure. Configure commission rates. Commission rate: 0.09% example. Initial rate: 0.05% example. Max change rate: 0.07% example. Click Bond and validate. Success. Congratulations. Your validator node is active. For detailed guidance, visit our Gitbook link. Stake with confidence on Qubetics. Let's do this together.